Yo, what is up all you credit repair hustlers? If you haven't already checked out the credit repair fundamentals, it's amazing. It will get you your next or your first credit repair client within your first 2 weeks of utilizing that program. Pretty much what it is going to teach you 3 main things plus a bonus I recently added, which I want to tell you about right now. First thing that's going to teach you how to do is to tell you, like I said, the fundamentals. It's going to teach you how to optimize your social media presence to pretty much turn it into a powerful lead magnet, so that when you're doing things on your social media, when you are commenting on people's posts, when you're liking, when you're checking stuff out, when you're in groups, people are inherently nosy. They're going to check out your profile. They're going to see that you're an expert in credit repair. They're going to see that you know what you're doing. They're going to see you're an authoritative figure. And because you have your social media presence organized in such a way that it captures people coming in, uses a couple of lead magnets, and also uses a bunch of call to actions, it's going to get people to do what you want them to do. Schedule an appointment with you or call you up. So what we have is, it's going to optimize your social media presence. What's also going to do is teach you how to get a lot more referrals. And what I typically see within any service-based business, especially your credit repair business, is that your referrals should come out around a 70% rate. And if it's not, it's usually something internal. So what we're going to do in this segment is we're going to teach you how to make sure you're getting a plethora of referrals to your business, utilizing a couple of secret tactics that I almost guarantee you don't know about. The third thing that's going to teach you is something that I love, and I preach about this all the time in a lot of my videos. It's called the content distribution method. What this is going to teach you how to do is some crazy organic marketing. It's teach you how to film something once and distribute among all your social media platforms so that you can do what Gary Vee says. Gary Vee says content is king, and boy is he correct there. By putting out all this content out there, it's going to draw people in organically to your page, to your social medias. And because we're going to optimize your social media presence, when you draw people in by providing a bunch of value, a bunch of content, your social media is going to gather them up and get them to do that conversion you want. Schedule an appointment or call up your business. Those are 3 things right there. Plus a bonus that we recently just implemented. Now, I don't want to go too crazy in this. I want you guys to check this out for yourselves, but I call it the tagging hustle. What this tagging hustle is going to allow you to do is one of my secret methods to get more credit repair clients by utilizing an amazing feature that Facebook and Instagram actually has. It's the tagging feature. I'm going to give you the secrets on how you can get more people to tag you on posts and bring in a lot more clients, a lot more referrals, and in such a way that they're actually easy to close. Because instead of just going out there cold outreach trying to get more clients, these people are going to be coming to you. That's what I was saying. You're going to get your next client within 2 weeks. Because people are coming to you, and it's going to be a lot easier to close. So guys, check out the link down in the description if you're interested in purchasing this up front. Check out the link in the description if you're interested in getting your next client or Check out the link in the description if you're interested in the credit repair fundamentals, a way you can get your next client in literally 2 weeks. Check it out down below. It's only $47 today. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.